There's my Monaro here. You can see there. Down here at the horse pony clip. As you can see, just do a round circle shot there. Comes the car here. Get in trouble with this. Roo Hill, we call it Roo Hill. See, the camera's starting to go a bit funny. You can see there, so we'll chuck it on autofocus here. Another fire down there. Seems to be a lot of fires there today. You can zoom up on the fire. Another fire out there. Get out here a bit more, you can see some more fires. We'll come back here for a long distance shot. Sun in our face. House and that going up there. Other house here. Car, we'll get a close up of it. Video is going a bit funny. Be a good old Roo Hill. Let's get it back in. Go. So we're out sort of down towards Byford way. All fired. Badge just come off, what to fix it up. Badge is a bit funny at times.
telling me how wonderful I am.
I know.
And he just comes out with those wonderful little things, and I just think, you suck.
But it is funny making him say dirty stuff.
It is. You found that, did you?
Oh, that's the first thing I did with it.
I was so pissed off that I sent you over his email. I think